Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, this has definitely been a very strong move down, but I am still a big believer that eventually, maybe it will go down, take out this low first, but eventually, I still think this is going to go up and take out all these highs and continue the uptrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, to me, it still looks very corrective, like it could end up making a end of a crescent. We are at the 88%, which gold does seem like it likes that area. So if we do see an impulsive engulfing move to the upside on the sort of time frames, it very easily could be the end of an irregular looking ABC crescent and the continuation of the uptrend. But I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long unless I see a nice confirmation that the crescent is over. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely a little bit of an odd pattern with this running flat look right here. It definitely looks like a trend. It looks like an ABC pattern, or maybe even an ABCDE. But really, what it looks like to me is like a running flat because this made a lower low, and then this made a lower low. So it does look like an ending flat correction for the wave B. This would be a wave A, and if that's the case, that means that this would still be a wave C and that it still could bounce off this fib level, break structure to the upside, ending this correction and possibly continuing the uptrend. So we for sure want to keep an eye on that to see if we can identify the end of this correction. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely has five waves. One, two, three, four, five waves down. We are at the Fibonacci level, so if we do get a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I would for sure take that as a long and maybe even the possible end of an ABC correction, the continuation of the uptrend. But I really wouldn't try to go long unless I see some nice confirmation because it could just make another correction and just continue the downtrend. We don't really want to be trying to go long and catch this falling knife because it very easily could just keep going down. When you go down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can start to see the structure to this move. Now the most recent stretch swing high is right there, so if price goes up and breaks that high, I would say that's probably the end of a wave 5, possibly even the wave 5 of C. And if that happens, then I think at that point we could definitely be turned into a buyer and start looking for longs in an uptrend. But I don't think I would try to go long right now because I mean there's always a possibility it makes another lower high, and just keeps on trending down, which is why I wouldn't go long until I see a break of structure and then probably a pullback. At the end of the pullback is where I would try to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.